How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to connect a VPN on any mobile devices. So first things first, I want you to go to your Google Store or App Store and go and search this application. It is called Turbo VPN. Now personally, I use this Turbo VPN because it is fast and it is reliable. And let's say you've downloaded the app already and go click on that to start. Let me just close everything. Let's go back. Okay, so once you've clicked on the app, usually it goes to this screen right here. So just tap on this caret icon to connect to a VPN. So Turbo is finding the server, and let Turbo, the application, do its work. So this might take time. Okay, so once it says connection failed because it is busy, just click on retry again. Click on this caret icon like that. So again, Turbo is finding the fastest server, and the little rabbit is doing his best to find us a server. So this might take a lot of time and a lot of retries, so just don't give up. So we will do another retry right here. Just click on this. So patience is the key right here. So without any luck, we can't connect to a VPN, probably because of my internet connection, or the servers are pretty busy nowadays. So what I usually do is when I click on retry, and automatically Turbo VPN will find its best server for you, and you are good to go. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!